Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing the Cheesecake Factory at home, our famous brown bread. So we have assembled here everything that we need, which is very simple. You need a piece of foil or a baking sheet if you have it, a knife to cut your bread with afterward, and your bread. So first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then all we need to do is open up our bread and place it on our foil. There we go. Now we're just going to pop this into the oven for 5 minutes. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been 5 minutes and I just took the bread out of the oven. It's got a nice little slight crust on it. Feels pillowy on the inside, so all that's left to do is slice it up however you like it. I'm just going to kind of go like this. Always make sure to use a bread knife because it will make everything so much easier whenever you want to do slices like this. And you can just serve up your bread. There you go. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. Alright guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.